Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable light mode on your Facebook app on PC with the latest update. If you prefer browsing in dark mode instead of the bright white light mode, this quick guide will help you switch over effortlessly. First, open your Facebook app on your PC and look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a menu where you can access a number of options related to your account. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in, select Settings. This takes you to a broader settings page where you'll adjust the appearance of your Facebook app. Next, scroll down a bit and click on the Accessibility option. This section helps customize your Facebook experience, especially when it comes to visual preferences. Under Accessibility, click on Video and Motion. Here, you will find several settings related to video playback and motion effects, which also includes options for captions and display modes. Now, look for Captions display and enter into the text size settings area. This is where you can fine-tune the size of captions, but more importantly for our purpose, you can control the dark or light display modes. Finally, you'll see the dark mode option. Click on it and choose On. Once you do this, Facebook will switch from light mode to dark mode, giving your eyes a rest from all the bright white light. That's it. You've successfully disabled light mode and enabled dark mode on your Facebook app for PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to customize your viewing experience, so you can browse comfortably for as long as you want. Thanks for watching.